Hello, welcome again. We are solving general average test of year 2024 of NDNA 1 exam. Question number 128 is for a human eye where u is the distance of an object from the eye, f is the focal length of the lens, and v is the distance of image from the eye, which is the correct schematic graph. So this is option A, this is V, this is U, and graph is like that. This is option B, this is B, this is U, and this is graph is like that. Option C, this is F, this is U, and graph is like that. And option D, this is B and this is F, graph is like that. So answer is option A. This type of graph is obtained uh, in human eye when we vary B and U keeping F constant. So this, and the explanation of this is the relationship between object distance u and image distance v and focal length of a lens is described by lens formula, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. The lens equation can be used to find the relationship between these variables, including how changing one affects the other. The graph of this relationship shows an inverse relationship between object distance and image distance with focal length as a constant. So if so now the formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, and image and uh, object are on the opposite side. If we put u is equal to minus f, so this will become plus. So 1 by f will cancel out. So v will be rotating. Okay, so if we place the object at a focal length, the image will be at infinity. So this is the f value, and we can see that the image will be at infinity. So now if we want to find out image at focus, if we put v as f, then u will be infinity, then the object should be at infinity. So that is the correct relationship, and this is the graph. This is called rectangular hyperbola. So answer is option A. Answer is option A, this type of graph.